Hello everyone, myself Jyoti Ashwin N and my batchmates Venkat Prasad S and Lokesh L from Vailtech Multitech Dr. Rangarajan Dr. Sagundala Engineering College have completed our final year project, which is online payment fraud detection model using machine learning techniques. The main objective of our project is to design and implement a robust fraud detection system that utilizes machine learning algorithms to effectively identify and prevent fraudulent activities in online payment transactions, and to enhance the security of digital payment platforms by developing a model that analyzes transaction data for patterns indicative of fraud, and to protect users and financial institutions from fraudulent losses, ensuring a secure and trustworthy online payment environment. Now let's get into the introduction part. The Unified Payments Interface, that is UPI, has revolutionized digital transaction in India, providing seamless and instant money transfers. However, the rapid adoption of UPI has also led to a significant increase in fraudulent activities, posing a serious threat to user security and trust. Traditional rule-based fraud detection methods are often inadequate in keeping pace with the evolving tactics of fraudsters. Our system is proposed in the following manner. The project involves the development of an advanced fraud detection framework that leverages machine learning algorithms to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of identifying fraudulent transactions. Our system will integrate various machine learning techniques, includes classification algorithm, anomaly detection, and ensemble methods to analyze transaction data in real time. By examining transaction features such as user behavior, payment patterns, and transaction characteristics, the model aims to identify subtle patterns indicative of fraud that traditional rule-based systems might miss. The proposed system is designed to continuously adapt to emerging fraud tactics, reduce false positives, and provide actionable insights to prevent financial losses, ultimately improving the security and reliability of online payment platforms. Now, let's break down this fraud detection architecture step by step. First part of the architecture is dataset collection. The process starts with gathering transaction data, including details like transaction amount, device ID, location, and payment method. And the second part is data pre-processing. This step is crucial, which involves removing duplicates, handling missing values, identifying outliers to prevent skewed results. And the third part is feature engineering. This is where we select or create the most important features for fraud detection, such as frequency of transaction, unusual location changes, high value transaction in a short period. And the fourth block is new data generation. The refined data is then split into two parts, which is training data and test data. Training data is used to train the machine learning model, and the test data is used to evaluate model performance. And the fifth block is machine learning algorithm. A suitable algorithm is chosen, such as logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, or neural networks. And the sixth part is model training. The algorithm is trained to recognize fraudulent patterns from past transaction. And the seventh part is scoring the model. The trained model is then tested on new transaction to access its accuracy. And the eighth part is model evaluation. We measure the model's performance using key metrics like accuracy, which is how well the model predicts fraud, and precision and recall, which is balancing false positives and false negatives. And the final part is final decision, which is result. If a transaction is detected as fraud, it can be blocked immediately, sent for manual verification, or it can be notified to the user. And this is how the architecture works. Now let's see the detailed explanation about the program used in this project. The first step is to import necessary Python libraries for data handling, model training, and evaluation. NumPy and Pandas, which is used for handling large datasets efficiently, and scikit-learn, which is used for machine learning model building and evaluation. The second step involves reading the dataset and preparing it for machine learning. Firstly, we have to load the dataset. The dataset contains various transaction details including transaction type, amount, sender, receiver and fraud labels. Secondly, we have to drop unnecessary columns. Name origin and name destination. These are the unique user IDs that do not contribute to fraud detection, which represents the transaction step but does not provide useful information. So, it rarely contains the flagged fraud cases, so it is removed. Thirdly, we have to convert categorical transaction types into numerical data. Transactions are categorized as cash in, cash out, transfer and etc. One hot encoding converts these categories into numeric values, making them usable for machine learning model. And the final step of the second step is check for missing values and clean the data. Ensures there are no empty field in the data set. And the third step is splitting data into training and testing sets. Machine learning model require separate training and testing data sets. 80% of the data is used for training and 20% for testing. The fourth step of the program is to train the decision tree model. Decision tree is a simple yet effective machine learning algorithm for binary classification for identifying fraud or not fraud. The model learns from historical transaction to predict fraud in new transaction. The fifth step is model evaluation. After training, the model is tested on unseen data to check its performance. The performance metrics are accuracy, measures the percentage of correct predictions. The formula which is used for this is correct predictions divided by total predictions. And the second one is precision, measures how many predicted frauds were actually frauds. Important when false positives should be minimized. And the third one is recall, measures how many actual fraud cases are correctly identified. Okay. Let's see the demonstration of our project. When we run the program, this is where the link gets us into. We have to press the sign up button, which is located in the top right corner. This is the sign up page. We have to enter our name, email, password and confirm that password so that we can able to sign up. Since we already have an account, we are going to the login page. This is the login page. We have to enter our username and password and press the login button. This is the main interface. This is where we are going to give our input data. Let's give some random input data and check whether it is fraud or not. The system predicts this transaction as a fraud. Let's try again with another set of data. The system predicts this transaction as not fraud. This is how the prediction mechanism works. And this is how our project online payment fraud detection model using machine learning techniques works. Thank you.